So tomorrow is the first day of archery season for deer, and in about 2 to 3 weeks we're going to have our first frost. So gardening season's just finishing up here, so today we're going to try to harvest a lot of the tomatoes and peppers and everything out of the garden. But one thing we're also going to do is we're going to pick our pumpkins. So we ended up planting giant pumpkins and Connecticut field pumpkins. The giant ones all died, didn't have any luck with those, but we do have Connecticut field pumpkins here. So we planted 6 seeds, I believe, for the Connecticut field pumpkins, and I think we're going to end up around 10 or 11 pumpkins this year, and I think that'll be plenty to be able to make enough pumpkin pie for a year. We'll see how it turns out. So here's where we planted our pumpkins, and you can see that all of our pumpkin vines, they're all dead. All our vines have turned brown, so it's a good time to go ahead and pick our pumpkins. So as we walk through here, we do still have a pumpkin vine through here that's growing, and we actually have a little pumpkin right there, but that'll never grow in time to be able to use it. What are you doing, Comet? Hey, you're not supposed to pick your own tomatoes. Stop it. Now we got a couple pumpkins hiding in the grass. There's one here and there's one there, and then we've got all these. It ended up where I've got a count of around 11 pumpkins. So we'll go ahead and cut these off the vine and gather them up. Man, that would have been nice. So here's pretty much what we harvested today. I did have a 5-gallon bucket of tomatoes, but I forgot to film. Actually, I've already taken them inside and started processing those tomatoes, and then I've got quite a few of them that are going to have to ripen on the counter before I can process them. So what I've got is I've got a 5-gallon bucket here that's mostly chili peppers. I got some jalapeno peppers on the bottom, and I've got a few eggplants here. And then this whole bucket here is all bell peppers. So I need to get these bell peppers all cut up and in the freezer so that I can vacuum seal them. Once they get frozen, then I'll vacuum seal them in packets later this week. I ended up with a total of actually 12 pumpkins, and we are going to cut these up and we roast them in the oven, and we'll make pumpkin puree out of the flesh on the inside. That's how you make your pumpkin pies. And then we'll pull the seeds out of them and make roasted pumpkin seeds. So that's something maybe I'll show in a video later. But this is pretty much the harvest here. Probably the last big harvest this year. So we went ahead, left all the plants in the garden. So those plants, we'll leave them, and if the weather continues to be good, we'll continue to get more stuff off them plants. And then probably as soon as we get our first frost, I'll try to remember to get out there and pull all the plants and take out the drip irrigation. Well, this pretty much wraps up our 2018 gardening season, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.